Okay, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today my name is Patrick from the class of University Tarumanagara. Let me introduce my lecture is Daniel Tambuyan who give this project. What is this project about the final examination about technique presentation? We show it VG today for our topic. The company, we know the VG is the company who use one product the best quality in the world that make it for the excellence. Until now, the Fiji is still the market leader of the mineral water farming. Next, about the location. Fiji water is from the middle island in the world that produce artesian aquifer from the deepest of the mountain until we make it, take it and untouched by man, produce it and until we can drink it. Next, this is the tagline of the history from 1993. The product is moving socialization and make it to the battle. And then until 2012, we have 6 continents, depends all over the world. This is the brain office, like Europe, and then South Africa, and then the others America, something like that. Until the rest of the world, we conquer it. Next. This is the charity and the program we deliver it to the others, like human socialization, and then the others who need it, like 14 provinces in the Fiji we supply from 2027. This is the amount until 100,000 lives. Kita kan 1% for the planet, and then the others. Next. Our water, what is the benefit? The benefit is we make it from the pond, and then we take it until the factory. We produce it until we give it to the worldwide market. This is the story from Fiji until the Christian environment, and we take it to the water. That's the milestone. And the is from purified and then spring until artesian. This is the step and follow we should obey. If not it, we cannot give it to the staff. This is the instruction from the PG official. Yes. The benefit is like this, silica, chloride, and then the others. I mean like this, if you're doing it, you can help it become better for your nails, for your skin, for your blood pressure, and for your stamina too, for the daily activities. Next. The main concept not just about hydration, but also taste, not just convenience, but also best value, not just about commodity, but also trade, not just about ubiquitous, but also unique. This is our brand product, and we still use it until now. The marketing, where is the marketing we put? We can put it, the marketing from 18 years old until 38. But we take it, the middle point, and 30 years old. And then the executive class like entrepreneur, and then the business girl, executive like big boss, and then the others. Dedicated for our healthy and important. This is the place we take it, like 5-star restaurant, and then hotel, and then the others also use it. Instagram at FijiWater.id, you can subscribe it and follow it. There's the massive update in there. You can know it. Okay, this is the reality show. You can like hangover next Big Bang Theory, and then the others. This is the celebrity who use it in the scene and clip. You can watch it. Next, and then the others, like you can see in the situation like waiting in the car and then sitting, and then the others who use it like actor, like actress, and then president of the United States, Barack Obama still use it too. And then the others activity girl like Kim Kardashian, Rihanna, the singer girl, use it after activity, they still doing it. And then the others like old person, big person, and then everything. This is the conclusion. We use it for if it's expensive but also good quality. That's the charity too for the country. Like we give it for charity and then donation. Okay, next the saving for the environment. Thank you for the time and hope can give you everything. See you at the top and hope you can enjoy.